Jason coming back at you again with Burnsville Heating and Air on another Tip Tuesday. We're talking today about furnace filters. What do? Protect your equipment, help improve the air quality in your home. Here at Burnsville Heating and Air, we sell many different types of filters, from your standard 1-inch all the way up to your 4-inch. We carry all types of different filters. Matter of fact, if you go to our website, BurnsvilleHeating.com, we sell filters right on our website. On the upper right-hand corner, you'll just go to Order Filters. We also sell your furnace filters, humidifier pads, vacuum filters, and fridge filters. One thing that can happen if you don't replace your filter, check it regularly, is it can clog up and affect system performance. It can cause freezing of your coils, which affects air conditioning. It can also lower the efficiency of your unit as well. So we recommend checking it at least monthly, replacing these guys, the 1-inch, every 90 days. And the 4 to 5-inch, we recommend every 6 months or so. If you have any questions, you can call us here. We'd be glad to help you out, 952-894-0005. Thank you.